morning, good morning, good night, and good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is what we're doing today. Little house slab, waffle pod. Straight up boxing. Boys are chilling, ready to go. Okay, we have concrete. The guys are here. I think we got Hanson's concrete. Well, let's go. Let's get the action on. Play the music. Okay, we got 7:30. Concrete probably started coming about 7. Boys at the go. Long way around and they'll go through no water, and there's a lot of flood water around today, so fair bit out there.
You roll there, David.
I'll be on there, zombie long day, long girl, bossy long. We're just making a new dialogue in case the Russians come. Way too early, just leave it then. Looks good, but good work, Philip.
Up here. Alright, Phil, the camera's up here, we're bumping it might fall off. I've got my sons up there, mate. Every day they're on the ground. I'll get this one day, it'll be good. You're on time, mate. For real, it's all on time, man.
Alright, I just try to film all that, but I don't know what we got, we'll have to see. Oh, we're getting there, let's go. Right, we have 11 past 8. And we got half of it, we're just waiting for concrete again. All we need is we got two more trucks, and we're all good.
Oh, you slid straight through it. Experience. Yeah.
Experience of Alright, we've been sitting around for about half an hour waiting, and we got undid all the edges around here, around there, halfway. And Dave's giving the first hit now. Show you what the first hit looks like for us. Nice and creamy. First hit. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and oh yeah, boys having some lollies. We've nearly broken the whole thing, 11 o'clock, so this part's nearly done. I've done all the edges around here. So do the edges over there a little bit. And Dave's just going to break this bit up here. So we probably won't be finished till another 2 hours yet. Hoping we'll finish another hour. But it doesn't look like it. Oh well, let's go. Oh, looking good, but. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. And we've got most of it stripped. We've just got a little bit to go, so it's hopefully 12:30. We're out of here another half an hour. They might have to be finishing the slab, I think. That'll be it. Play the music, play the music. Alright, it's 12:30. Dave's got one more hit. We've all cleaned up. We're packed up. Trailer's packed up. Phil's done his job. Owen is happy. Sitting back, been watching in the shade. We've got the river down here, but there's no water in the river right now. Well, there is water in the river because it's flooded everywhere, but it's way down the bottom down there. So, but yeah, all good. Good work, Phil.
Cheers, Mike.
Impressive, mate. He got blacker as the day went on. So did Nike, the poor buggers. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that episode. I did actually put my camera up there and I tried to get like 3 bays, but I didn't press record, so we missed out on it. So, oh well, shit happens. But yeah, we're doing a job tomorrow with Simon and I'm doing a job with Brant, so we've got 2 jobs on tomorrow, so I'll try to get a video happening of both them jobs and I'll see you all tomorrow. Have fun. It's freaking hot today. How much degrees you reckon it is?
35.
35 degrees, Australian degrees. That's probably 110. That's probably 110 in America. Is it? No, I think at 38 degrees is 100 degrees in America, so close to 100 anyway. All right, see you all next time. Bye-bye. All right, this is what I had to drive through this morning. There is a little bit of flood water, but not much. This one's not blocked off enough. Drive up the edge, but I'll be in trouble. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I'll enjoy mine.
Yeah, I'll just take some bananas and some apples. I guess there's no avocado. Might grab some milk.